Oh my. Alright, well. It's noise time. What? I'm scared. First thing I see when I'm opening up YouTube is video on the noise update, and I just automatically assume that it's fake or fan made or whatever. But nope, it was by the Pizza Tower account, so here we are. Alright, let's see. Well, time to play. Let's see what this guy can do. Instead of running up walls, Noise will be able to bounce off of them with his skateboard. When doing a wall bounce, press J to launch yourself in direction of. Okay. Whoa, that's cool. So, okay, interesting. Drill move, huh? Let's see. Huh. Ability to do it at any moment. Huh. That's interesting. Doing him. Okay. Oh, we get to finally hear the new noise. Oh, well. Well, I guess we'll hear that in John Gutter. I've been waiting like months for this update, and if anything, the thing I'm most excited about is just to hear the dang Noise Escape theme. So, let's check it out. What? What the? I'm sorry, what? Oh, this is gonna take some getting used to. Of course, Noise's jam-packed Radical Anthem is blaring. Huh. So he's kind of similar to Peppino. Okay. I don't know really how to describe this. I don't know. Huh. Oh, he has a different jump noise. That's cool. Seems a bit more slippy. Somehow. Because Pepito's already very slippy. Oh, not having a wall climb is gonna screw me up so much. Man, the weird ghosty combo meter dude is purple now. Interesting. Man, you know what? I'm actually curious. Oh, I was just wondering. Okay. Okay, the achievements are different. I was just curious about that. Oh gosh. Again, forgetting that I can't wall climb anymore. Oh, interesting. I didn't even try uppercutting before. Alright. Let's go to pizza time. Oh, I saw Noisy. Can I get a P rank first try? Now that is the main question I have. Okay, so that. Oh, hi, Noisette! gosh, imagine trying to do lap 3 with this guy. Okay, I see. So after the spin, if I dash, I can keep my momentum. Cool. Now, of course, we gotta go for that P rank. Already, the noise is feeling pretty good to control. Again, he's more flowy than Pepito. Oh, I can't... Oh, I was trying to grab cancel there, and I failed miserably. And we win! That was fun. Alright. I'm very excited to see what else this gremlin has in store. But, oh my... I wasn't expecting that. We of course have his breakdance. No Gustavo. What the? High noise at. Alright. Alright, let's do Pizza Skate. What? What? Sorry if you hear me sniffing a bunch. I have a bit of I have a runny nose and a sore throat when I'm recording this, so apologies for that, in case that bugs you. But hey, what's more important, being sick or the noise? I think I know the answer. It's really interesting. I need to figure out how best to land after doing the spin move, because I want to be able to what you call it? I want to be able to keep myself on the ground. So I guess you can just keep drilling like that. It doesn't seem as fast as just going normally. Alright. Night seems the exact same. Wait, does noise never stop moving when using night? I mean, I guess we can test that out. Oh, nope. Must have just been some weird collision with the slopes. Alright, let's see. This is like... This is more similar to playing Odd than playing the game for the first time again, because I obviously know every single level. Oh, that's interesting. He doesn't... Oh, look at that. He doesn't just bonk. He doesn't stop like Peppino does. He just keeps going. That's fun. Oh, look at that groove. So it looks like you have a limited amount of wall jumps, so you can't climb infinitely like you can with Peppino. Just thinking about, like, blood sauce. I'll probably have to... What? Is noise leading out of was noise leading out of the TV? Whoa. I'm speechless. Wait. Oh my god, he's leading... Why did I'm speechless. I can't say anything. Yeah. I'm speechless. Oh my, oh no, lap 3 stress don't work with him, because, well, I mean, obviously he's a different character. Maybe it's not like he's smoother, it's just kind of he's bouncier. He seems to ricochet off like a lot of stuff more. And there goes my combo. Okay, how do I... What was the thing with the super jump? Oh, shoot. Oh, what the? Well, I guess I can just get up like that. But I know you can... Well, I mean, I've accidentally done it a few times where I just accidentally super jumped. Super jumped when I didn't need to. Wasn't it just holding up? I need to test that out. Oh yes, I love the donuts. Alright. And just because I'm crazy, we're gonna do lap 2 even though we have a minute left. Albeit, it's not like I can't outrun Pizza Face. Besides, this isn't a P rank. So I don't really care if I die. Oh yeah, I have more than enough time, and again, even if Pizza Face does spawn, I am very confident in outrunning him, even with this new moveset. Okay, I gotta get used to that drilling after, yeah, like that, oh gosh. Hopefully, Pizza Face just doesn't spawn it in a bad spot. That's the only thing that can really screw me over. New clothes. Okay, I'm assuming that all of Noise's rank screens are the same as what they have been previously. Is that a dead pixel I spotted? Okay, so it doesn't have the Mr. Stick thing. I mean, obviously we have to do all the levels before we go fight Peppermint. How many of these... Are those, like, banner? Like, who drew those? Did Nick Pig draw them? I have a lot of questions. Alright, okay. Just so, because I'm curious, I do need to figure out, what the, the super jump thing. It's also a bit more stressful, because I can't climb walls, Okay, so it's... No, that's normal. What button was it? Sorry if I sound like an idiot here. Oh, that's cool. Oh wait, no, that's just normal. Super jump into... Yeah. That's uppercut. Oh gosh. Well, since I lost my combo, I can experiment. Oh, okay. Up in space. Or up and jump. So, Noise just... So it's kind of like Beta Bomb Peppino. Except for I can actually control Noise. I was about to ask if this was an Ancient Cheese remix, but then I remembered that I normally beat the level so fast that I never hear this part of the track. Why did I get that? I normally say that for pizza time. I ran out of wall jumps. Oh, right. I can't throw it. Oh, that was cool. The drill. He seems to be able to have a lot more sudden bursts of speed. Is what I found. I don't like the... Well, it's not that I don't like, it's just more... I don't know... Because I'm trying to start knock dashing out of a super jump. And I'm not sure how I'm supposed to do that with Noise. Oh my gosh, the TV. I'm very curious to see the boss fights here. Because there's a chance that Fake Peppino and Noise are changed. Not sure if it's going to be the Noise, or if Boss 3 is going to be just Peppino. Not sure. So I'm excited to see that. Luckily I can beat the game very fast, so we don't have to wait for long. And another question, are Gustav and Brick replaced, or is it just Noise? What the? How did I break that? Okay. Can Spinny Drill just break, like... Can it just, like, break, those blocks? Right, one thing I do think is interesting is because you can just super jump at will, basically. Oh gosh. It will make trying to lap 3 once those mobs get updated as Noise very interesting. Oh my gosh, I'm just bumping into everything. Okay, his uppercut is really strong. Well, I mean, it boosts you a bunch. Well, I mean, obviously this isn't AP because I lost my combo multiple times. Why did I grab the bomb? I'm stupid. Okay, so after hitting the wall, if you push the ground, then your momentum will come back. Got it. I wonder how many... Gosh. Wait. I keep forgetting there's up in space. I keep wanting to do up and attack. Oh my gosh, a Noise that looks deranged. Alright, and that was Ancient Cheese. Alright, so... Alright. Blood Sauce is gonna be interesting, especially because it's the more vertical level. I mean, I have to focus on, I mean, I'm gonna have to focus on, yeah, Noise, yeah, your reaction with you smoking a cigar is kind of Makes sense. Having a unlocked by getting enough combo to have noise come out of the TV. Pizza Face is nearby. Oh, okay, so Noise says different costumes. Oh, but he still has the Halloween ones. I wonder if Peppino has those. Probably not. Did you know that your full name is Theodore Noise? That's unfortunate. I love that, like, even the Steam page for this game is just corrupted by noise, which I find hilarious. Okay, so I kind of get it. So when he bounces the drill, he kind of, yeah, so you kind of just have to wait for, actually, hang on, what's Noise's fire butt? Okay. You kind of just have to wait for it for you to come out of that, bounce up, and then you keep that momentum. Very, very interesting. Oh, I was using Peppino straps, and that led to my doom. I am gonna wonder, because obviously I am gonna play Noise a bunch. If I'm gonna have a preference for him over Peppino. I know, because I have like 300 hours as Peppino, so it'll be hard to break those habits. But hey, who knows? I sure don't. I can't see the future. I mean, some of you might, but like, and if you can you like tell me what happens, please? And not for any like evil, nefarious purposes or anything. You know, just because I'm curious, and not because I want to take over the world. Yeah, see, Noise agrees with me. That was fun. You know, that just reminded me of the dang, like a, what's it called, that one galaxy from Mario Galaxy that is the tops. What was it? It was Battle Belt? No, it was, Battle Boulder? Something like that. Battle Rock! That was it, sorry. That's kind of what that just popped in my head. Huh. Right. How are you supposed to turn around as this guy? Okay, maybe if I bounce off of the walls, it looks like I get some free room to determine my direction. Oh hey, I got a costume. You can check that out after this level. That was a demented parry animation. I do love how much of a gremlin Noise is. Love how much his animations reflect that, because his boss fight more or less just make him out to be mischievous, but I love this like more unhinged Noise, since we don't really get to see him that much in the game outside of his boss fight. Yeah, that's how you want to do it. Of course, we have to super jump here because Noise doesn't have his the wall climbing speed like Peppino does. I'm actually curious too what the requirements for unlocking Noise is, since I just had him unlocked. Like, is it just beat the game, get all achievements, get all P ranks? I mean, I really don't know. Already Noise is feeling pretty good control now that I understand his basic things that he can do. Oh gosh. This is, oh, okay, that's, cases like that are definitely why you have the instant super jump ability. What the heck are these sound samples in the song? Yeah, I'm gonna have to get used to just insta super jumping. Yeah. This is, if anything, this level is just showing me that. Alright. Lap 2 time. I'm also gonna see how to. I'm gonna have to see how to get all the clothes. Because the inner completionist in me needs everything in this game. It is my favorite game after all. It's interesting because it's more like a Mantis Claw from Hollow Knight than like Gustavo Brick's super jump, well, wall jump for noise. Of course, you can't infinitely wall jump like you can with Mantis Claw. I love that it uses boss fight scream, that's awesome. Kinda sucks because Blood Sauce's hardest section to escape Pizza Face in is like the section I haven't passed yet, and Pizza Face is definitely gonna spawn here. Yeah, this section. Yeah, no surprise. But hey, we get to see Noise's death animation. Womp womp. Oh well. Is it a random noise, like, image that gets pasted every time? Hey, I'm gonna have a ton of Pizza Face deaths once the last 3 mods get updated to the latest version. So, if anything, I just count that death as practice. Don't think I ever actually died aside from Moon War on my first playthrough. Of course, I didn't take every single lap 2 portal like I will here. But I'm gonna do that because I'm awesome. No, it seems like, so instead of, yeah, as I said earlier, instead of coming to a screeching halt like Peppino does, Noise seems to bounce off of everything when he messes up. So it's going to be important to not screw up as much with Noise, since his screw-ups are a lot more unpredictable, which kind of is in character, if I'm being honest. I am having fun though. This is awesome. Oh, that was cool. With the, whatchamacallit, the, like, dash out of that, out of the, super jump. Okay, I do have to just comment, I love how his cape catches on fire for his fire button transformation, that's awesome. Scary part, because I might lose my combo. You know, I used to actually just do that part, the second secret, during pizza time for my P ranks, but then I realized it was just less risky just to do it before pizza time. Well, there goes my combo. Yeah, and I'll probably P rank these off camera because I just want to play the update. Interesting. So it seems like the drill move is a good way of just controlling your speed, since it slows you down before boosting you back. I meant to uppercut there, but I pressed the spacebar at the same time, so Okay, you cannot run into the Fork Knights while you're drilling. Good to know. I mean, seems like most of the differences do just come down to the few new moves Noise has, being the wall jump, of course, and a spin. Which, I mean, I guess makes sense since that was what all the tutorial taught. Oh, interesting. Like, did you see that? I kind of, like, went out of my super jump. Yeah, like that. Okay. So it is kind of similar to Peppino's. It's just you aren't going to be at your full speed immediately. Oh, I did not mean to do that. Oh, I got to see his pressure animation, though. Haven't seen that yet. Oh my gosh, I always forget to do this. I guess it's just going to be important to learn when I have to super jump, since I'm so used to just climbing up walls as Peppino. Oh my gosh. I'm sure there's an optimal way what you call it? To get out of that. Oh, to optimize how many wall jumps you have. It's probably something to do with the timing of it. Like maybe if you like if you're able to time it where you like hit the wall at the apex, you go higher or something. Something I'll have to experiment with. I gotta focus up because I don't want to die again. I didn't mean to go that direction. Alright, this is just regular ending of lap 3. I can do this. Alright. Yeah, I see that dead pixel now. Bug Noise. You can't hide yourself from me. Just like no one can. Alright. Let's go fight Pepperman. Ew. Oh, Noise had voice lines. That's awesome. Why is Noise's... Why was he illuminated like that? Noise is not amused. Like Peppino. Oh, okay, so so I saw this intro animation. Noise has bombs. Oh, what the? What the? He throws bombs? Oh, that's interesting. That changes things up. Wait, can I kill the little guys that Pepperman spawns? Okay, so is it gonna be like gun where I can only where bombs are the only things that are changed about moveset or what? Oh, gosh dang it, Pepperman! I want to see if I can kill your minions. Did the explosions hurt me? Okay, no. Okay, I can kill the guys. Right. Okay, so because it's not my grab, there's a bit more wind up to it. What the? I guess this is good because I don't have to get up close and personal with the Pepperman. But at the same time, I missed my dash. Ooh, You know, this makes me think. How is a vigilante and, like, the gun in War and Don't Make a Sound going to change? Because I feel like that would be, something that would be different. Oh, I did not mean to super jump there. Isn't really Pepperman hitting me, it's just my own competency with Noise moveset. There we go, finally. Oh my gosh, this kick animation is so slow. I guess the trade-off for having a ranged attack is extremely slow. Okay, of course it's going to be a remix to the Noise theme. Because obviously Pizza Time is Pepito's theme. That's not going to be a good grade. Crap.